Hi guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. A little quick update on the BTC action and Ethereum of course. We just opened a big CME gap and those usually close. Those gaps get closed and right now we have quite a gap all the way from sub 24k all the way to, well, over 26k. They usually close pretty quickly. We have one over here still. And we have some more, but usually they always close pretty quickly, like over here and over here. So that is a new bearish thing going on. We also have one over here. Like I said, they usually close pretty quickly. We also have some bullish news. Donald Trump, gonna pump the dollar again, or like dump the dollar again by a COVID relief bill. Like, according to the rumors, everybody in the US gets 2k. Back to Bitcoin. Fundings and premiums are coming down a little bit, but not a lot yet, which gives me the feeling of having more downside for Bitcoin. This is what I'm currently watching. A break of this high over here, 27k around it, would for me be longing again. But for now I'm playing shorts. I'm targeting, I would say 25k is a good spot to long again. But I will really look at the fundings, what the fundings are doing back then, because I want fundings flat again. So I will be looking at this indicator. I want it to go flat again, like over here. That is when you know buy in a bull market, or over here. If that goes flat, I buy again. For now, I'm sitting short and I'm liking it a lot because my entry is way higher. I did, however, got messed up in my trade yesterday. I was short over here already and I had my stop in 28k area. So I got stopped out at the exact top, which is very painful. I re-shorted later when I woke up. Right now, sitting in quite the profit. I always show you guys my trades on Twitter, so if you like to see that, make sure to follow me on Twitter. Also, if you have questions or anything, make sure to ask me in the comments, because I always keep a look at that and like to keep in touch with you guys. Ethereum looks a little bit like a fake out, but looks quite good over here, especially compared to Bitcoin. Ethereum made quite a pop up. And Ethereum BTC looking very good over here. I mean, they had a lot of pain. We're on the daily chart, but Ethereum is bouncing very good. And right now on the most critical level, I would say, in, well, recent history, because this is the level they really need to break. And then they need to break this trend line. Because for now it is looking, most exciting period. Like I said, fundings. I'm short till these ones go flat again. Funding is all what it's about for me. Also on Bitmex you can take a look at the fundings over here. Over here we see the coming funding and the predicted funding if you keep your mouse over it. Just take a look at Bitmex. You don't have to be logged in. You can just take a look and you just want it to be 0.01. And that is when you know too long for me in a bull market. Like I said, Tilopa was posting about the CME gap, and he's right. Like I said, I also like to use Bitcoin wisdom a lot. If this trend line breaks, you long. That is a good one as well. And this one, if that one breaks, this is a falling wedge. This is a really bullish pattern, and I expect this one to play out. If this falling wedge breaks up, we long. I don't expect it to break up yet because there's a lot of high funding, still a lot of liquidity, a lot of people to stop out, liquidate under here, and we have a CME gap. But as soon as this breaks up, I long. So that is about it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. See you guys again tomorrow.